Hi everyone, Jeff at ProTech Dental Lab. Today we're going to spend some time featuring and showing you how we manufacture our clear aligner product called ClearLine. So let's head down to our CAD/CAM department now and get started. So Craig here is now working on a setup for a ClearLine case, and you can see he's using 3Shape's Ortho Analyzer software there. And right now I think he's working on expanding and developing the upper arch, and then he'll move into the lower alignment as well. So all of our cases start at this process after we've scanned the models or received them through an iOS scan. Okay, after resetting the teeth, the next stage in the process is to organize the model for the build tray so that we can print them in the most efficient manner on our 3D printer. And here you can see a series of models, approximately 30 models being loaded onto one build tray. The next step in the process is to 3D print the models. So let's go take a look in our carbon 3D print room. And we'll watch one of the prints coming off the machine now. So the first step in the process as it comes off the machine is to go into the centrifugal spinner to spin off the excess resin that still remains on the models after they come out of the printer. Printing on the L1, we use such large volumes of resin that it requires this industrial vacuum to clean out and then refill the build tray for us. The spinning cycle is complete, and the excess resin has drained off the models. The excess resin gets saved so that it can be recycled on the next print job if needed. And then the build tray comes out and goes into the next step in the post-processing procedure. The excess resin is wiped away so that it doesn't cure to the actual build table. And then the entire build table is put into the curing unit at once. So in this larger curing unit, the chamber is actually filled with nitrogen, which is part of the curing process, and the entire build tray remains in there for an 8-minute time frame, so the models come out with their final cure. They're not sticky anymore, they're smooth and ready for manufacturing. Recently, we have automated our aligner trimming process, so they are all trimmed on our 5-axis mills. All of our aligners are still touched by a technician as they work their way through the polishing and QC process. Okay, and here we are at the end of the line. After going through the entire process, we get to the final product. And we've got a case here that's been packaged up and ready to go. And this is what comes to you in the ClearLine box. You get a capsule carrying case that has a toothbrush and cleaning supplies inside. There's all your clear trays and some white foam, which is meant to freshen up your trays as well as a care and cleaning guide and a few other accessories in there. So that's kind of what a typical case would look like as it comes back to you. So as you can see, it's packaged quite nicely. And that's our process for today. We're continuously trying to innovate and improve our products, so we'll let you know and update you when we see the next changes come along.